Here's a pair of the Google Pixel Buds 2a. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is a iPhone 16e. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that these are in a pairing mode, okay? So we're going to put the buds in, close the lid, and now once you open the lid up, if it starts blinking white, then you know it's in pairing mode. Mine is not blinking white. I have a solid white light. The reason is because I'm connected to a different device, a different phone. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode where it starts blinking white, I can go to my other phone and disconnect it from the Bluetooth, and then this will automatically go into pairing mode, or I could manually put this into pairing mode, okay? Let's go ahead and manually put this one into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back with the lid open here. I'm gonna press and hold that button for like 5 seconds until I get a white blinking light there. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait, okay, there we go. White blinking light. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go over to the iPhone, go to the settings here. Settings, and then from here just go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then under other devices, that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so waiting for it to show up here. It's still in the pairing mode. Let me turn off the Bluetooth and let me turn it back on really fast. Let it rescan again. What do you know? Pixel Buds 2a. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. Voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look below for the link in the description area.